Hello, welcome to another episode of Crypto Holders. So today we're going to look at Luna charts. Okay, so for the past 10 days, Luna have been has been going up. Okay, so you can see for the past 10 days, Luna have made 88.9%. So today we're going to look at Luna if this is a good time to buy Luna this time, or should just be patient and just wait for it to retrace back. Okay, so first, we're going to look at the market cycle. Okay, so first is how a market cycle is being formed. Okay, so this is market cycle. Okay, so we have retracement back down here. Then before we can have another M, then we move back down. Okay, so guys, this right here is a market cycle. Okay, this is how market is being formed. So, but if you understand this particular how market cycle is being created, then you now understand that trading cryptocurrency is very easy. It's not. I don't like to do daily trading because I understand something that I don't know if it's going to work for you, but I understand that cryptocurrency is not really made for daily trading. I think it's so hard to do that. But all you can understand, if you can understand how this market cycle work, then you will be successful in trading, in buying, not really trading, in buying and holding for a short period of time, and just make your 70, 50% in like 10 to how many days, just like Luna. So first we have to assess this wave. And you see the first M has already been topped, and you can see we could not close above the previous high, which is showing sign of weakness. I don't- Okay, we're using line because it's the close that we really focus on, not those extra week. No, we want to look at the close. Okay, so you can see this is the first leg. Right now, the second leg is forming, which is going to be this particular W that will move it up. Okay, so we're hoping that we can go above this particular previous high. Right, that's what we're just opening for. That we can go. That signify okay that we still have a lot of buyers in the market. But for me, I would say I don't really know. Anything can happen, but let's say I go because I'm already out of the market. Okay, because I'm already out of the market. Because I think I make 40% here because I didn't follow the trend on time. Okay, so you can see this is how market cycle plays out, and you can see we're already playing perfectly well. And so you can see this is the W where the leg started from, and this is the M. Okay, don't worry about all this. All these are just distraction that distract people. All right. So this is where you look at W to M. Just know another W is coming. That means another leg up. We might end that leg up here, or we might close this here. Then before Luna can start moving back down. But you have to understand that this market cycle we have to complete before we can see Luna retracing back. But right now, Luna is way too high for me. Okay. Okay. So first, let's look at Luna wave cant. All right. So guys, you can see this is where all this move started from. You can see this is where we started from. That's why this was the first move. This was a retracement, and that's why I like calling it zero. Okay, zero. All right. So guys, this was the high. So you can see this is our second leg up, and we're waiting for the third wave to bring it down. All right. So the fourth wave is where we're going to go long on Luna. All right. So, okay, the fourth wave is where we're going to go long on Luna. So it's going to play out like this. All right. It's going to play out like this. All right. So you can see this is where we're looking at buying Luna because this wave is going to be very powerful. So this is where you should be looking at going long with Luna. All right. So first, let's look. If Luna could not close this wave one, okay. So we're looking at if Luna refused to close this previous high, that's wave one. So we're seeing Luna falling below the low of this particular move here. Okay. So Luna will be coming back to around, let's say, might even see it touching down to 23 before it start moving right back up. But if this particular wave two closes above wave one, guys, then we'll be looking at buying Luna at this particular low, okay, that's where we'll be looking at buy Luna. So all you have to see, watch out for, just watch out for, was Luna able to close above this previous high? Okay, so it can play out this way, guys. It can play out this way. It doesn't really matter. Okay, it doesn't really matter. These are just a way to confuse us. Okay, so you can see it can play out like this. Luna can even decide to shoot up to 130, but just know Luna is still going to come back to this particular 39 point something wave. So all you just have to look at, I'll say, okay, it's way too high. Uh, don't be greedy. Don't buy Luna at this particular time. All right. So just wait for it to come back to this particular 39.8. That's where you get into Luna. Okay, then you can go long on Luna, because if Luna is coming back, it's going to be this particular previous side. Then you can just go long and set your target on Luna once that wave 4 is complete to around this particular area. So yeah, to around 162. So imagine you getting Luna back at 39 and holding it from, you'll be making over, okay guys, let's see. Sorry guys, I'm looking for our info line. Okay. So you can see if we decide to, okay guys, so you can see that if you decide, like, we wait for this wave 4, so tight, maybe Luna closes above the previous high. So looking at buy Luna around 39. So guys, you'll be seeing that you'll be making 3S. So because this becomes our target of buying Luna. Okay, so you can see the, you have to just be patient, and that's just how you have to do. Just be patient. Okay, so this is what we're looking at buying Luna, because so all we're just hoping for, Luna should just break above this previous high, guys. So that's all for today. Please, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, and please do subscribe to our channel if you love the content that we're giving out. Thank you very much.